Pranam and welcome back to my channel. What if I told you that every promise you make, every breath you take, and every tear you hide is witnessed by three ancient forces? They are not gods sitting on thrones. They are everywhere, watching, recording, waiting. They are Agni, Vayu, and Varun. Fire is never just fire or Agni in Hindu scriptures. Agni is the first god invoked in the Rig Veda. Agni is the messenger. Every yagya, every offering, every whispered prayer is carried by Agni to the gods. But here's the chilling part. Agni is also a witness. That is why in Hindu weddings, the bride and groom circle the sacred fire. Not flowers, not elders, Agni. Because Agni cannot lie. And he never forgets. In the Mahabharata, when Draupadi was humiliated, Agni burnt silently within the hearts of the righteous, waiting for Dharma to rise. Agni doesn't rush, it waits. And then it consumes. You can stop your words, you can hide your actions, but can you stop your breath? Vayu or wind is mentioned over 300 times in the Vedas. He is Pran itself. In the Kaushitki Upanishad, it is said that when the senses argued over who was supreme, Vayu prepared to leave the body, and instantly the body collapsed. Sight failed, sound vanished, strength disappeared. Only then did they realize without Vayu, there is no life. Hanuman, the son of Vayu, proves this power. He crosses oceans, shakes mountains, and humbles even the proudest gods. Vayu hears what is never spoken. He feels fear before words form. He knows your truth before you do. If Agni sees and Vayu feels, Varun or water judges. Varun is the guardian of cosmic order. In the Rig Veda, Varun is feared and revered. He binds those who break truth, not with chains, but with consequences. The oceans obey him, rivers follow his law, and even kings feared his unseen news, the Varun Pash. In ancient times, people didn't swear by books. They swore by water, because Varun knows when truth is polluted. You may escape people, you may escape law, but Varun arrives silently, like the tide. Agni watches your actions. Vayu carries your intent. Varun balances the outcome. Together they ensure that nothing is lost. Not karma, not truth, not justice. And maybe that's why Hindu wisdom never feared the universe, because the universe itself was awake, always watching. And there you have it, the three witnesses you now know about. See you soon. Do consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video if you liked it. Thanks. Pranam.